Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Check out my website and download your free hard inquiry removal package. We have other removal packages for all your negative items. If you have questions, reach me at my website and they go directly to my cell phone. Make sure you check it out in the link in the description of this video. Hey, you guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm bringing you some good news because Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian is wiping off $195 billion worth of collections. That's right, collections. So if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. I am not a credit repair specialist or a credit repair agent. I just bring you credit education, credit coaching. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also, you guys, be aware of scammers. If you have any questions for me directly, make sure you go to my website. And the link is always in the description of the video. If you're a person with a number of hard inquiries, we give you a free hard inquiry removal package that you can just download at my website. If I'm responding to your comment and there's a WhatsApp, a Gmail account that I'm sending you to, no, that is not me, because I am no longer doing credit consultations. So if I'm responding to your question, my name will be highlighted in gray. And just to double check, click on my photo and make sure the subscriber count of that person responding to you matches the subscriber count here on the channel. So let's jump into the information. Now, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian is removing $195 billion worth of medical collections, you guys. Medical collections actually, every 1 in 10 Americans have medical collections on their credit report. Now, with these medical collections, this is going to affect 70% of credit profiles. So these medical collections hinder people from getting housing, purchasing a home, buying a car, and even getting employment. So with this removal of these medical collections, it's going to improve the quality of over 1 million American lives. So I got this article from the Daily Mail. Let's jump into some of the details of these collections being removed. Let's read the article. Now, here's the article from the Daily Mail. Millions of Americans will have their medical debt wiped from credit reports. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion to strip billions of dollars from record, allowing people to get home and car loans previously denied. Now, I'm going to leave this link in the description of this video because it's going to break down certain details and thresholds for the removal of these medical collections. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion all announced Friday they would collectively wipe 70% of a reported $195 billion deflect from their collection accounts. The change targets already paid debts stuck in collections, which can mar a consumer's credit report for up to 7 years after they've been paid off. The firm also are planning to remove all unpaid debts of less than $500 in the first half of 2023, a threshold that could rise, sources close to the matter said. Under the company's new guidance, new unpaid medical debts won't get added to credit reports for a full year, even after being sent to collections. Outstanding medical costs can result in consumers being denied loans for cars, homes, and college, as well as application for property purchases and rentals. The change announced by the three credit giants, the world's three largest consumer credit agencies, seek to aid those negatively affected by those debts. So hopefully this will bring you guys relief. And moving forward, they have new guidelines where they won't be reporting medical collections that's at or under $500 for at least a full year. So hopefully this change will be coming soon. There's forecasting the first year or the first half of 2023. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section, and I hope to see you in the next video.